Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A06. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in general management, go in Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, go in high contrast keyboard. Enable the high contrast keyboard by tapping on this toggle. As you can see, multiple high contrast designs are available like this one and this one. I am simply turning it off. Now go back, go in theme. Here you get multiple keyboard theme like light, solid light, dark and solid dark. Now go back, scroll down. Here you get layout and font size. I will customize the font size. Now you can simply increase the font size like this, and if you want to decrease the keyboard font size you can simply decrease it by doing like this. I will simply increase it. This is how you can customize Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.